No way, guys. A Jordan OG version, but this time in a ghost green.
So, are you ready?
I don't know. Let me check. Looking good.
So simply awesome. Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to your channel, Top of the Shoe. Shit, man. I can't stop smelling this shit. Only channel where the only thing that matters is you. Yeah, you. And you too. So this time we're gonna have a great looking detailed review of this beautiful Jordan 1 OG Ghost Green. Okay, he's so beautiful. The images talk by themselves. They are so awesome. They have very quality material. They have a real quality materials on it. So if you want to see a sneaker release, please let me know before the release date so I can try to bring it here. Okay, just for you and just for Top of the Shoe. I'm gonna show you this shoe with a real unboxing. Okay, so stay with me, guys, and at the end of the video we're gonna see the on-foot review. That has come time to see that guy's feet, man. Sneaker of that guy, right? I recommend it really a lot. They are so comfortable, and the colors, the shoe, the quality of the materials are really nice, are really dope, and they look so sick on feet. So you can judge by the images.
Vaya, no encuentro fallas en su lógica.
So that's what's all for today, guys, in Top of the Shoe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you can, click the like button here. Okay, thank you. That was so awesome being with you. It's for me it's a pleasure to talk with you guys, and to you too. Okay, yeah, they are awesome, right? Say it, they are awesome. Yeah, no, that's the only pair, man. You have to wait. Please subscribe to my social networks. I'm gonna leave you here the links from the Top of the Shoe channel. Thank you for watching, and peace, guys. Till the next time.